Right, so new day, we're just going to paper trade again today. The fills on paper trading on Tradeovate are horrendously slow, which is why everything's so delayed. So we will have to just be careful of that. Yeah, but that was a good trade there. Break of a bear flag. So yeah, unfortunately we are really struggling with TradingView paper trading at the moment with the fills. It's just not. So I actually tried to get filled at the red line, that 50 EMA, the break of that, and it's filled me all the way up there. So yeah, we switched to paper trading because we were struggling in this choppy market just recently. I didn't want to blow any more accounts. And yeah, this isn't really helpful, if I'm being honest. TradingView not filling us where we're wanting to. I mean, it's just miles away. So we actually found complete resistance there at our entry point, and it's just come down and stopped us out. So yeah, that entire move would have been, we'd have been in and out of it in that move whilst it was trying to fill us. So this isn't helping. I have to have a little think about what to do because I don't want to trade my accounts in this market. I'm just getting chopped out of everything. But at the same time, this isn't really helping me practice when it's just not filling me and not letting me exit trades either properly. So we'll see. So I was just trying to be a bit of a clever dick here. I've had a bit of a push up, and I've noticed just recently every single push up is just sold off immediately. So I was kind of playing into the idea that we were going to stay in that range. We were going to bounce off VWAP and stay in that range. Sort of worked, sort of didn't. Yeah, we ended up moving our stop quite aggressively in the end and got stopped out just in profit very slightly. So yeah, it was a bit of a pointless trade and just sort of asking for trouble with that one. So this one here was the right idea. We've broken the opening range high. We've got a bit of a bear flag that's just sort of broken out on the 5-minute chart and on the 1-minute chart. It just wouldn't go. It just wouldn't really push with any real momentum. And I've just been stopped out of so many trades after being slightly in profit like this that I wasn't willing to give it any room to come back and stop me out. So it did push pretty much as soon as I got out, but that just is what it is. So a little quick scalp, putting a little bottom wick on the 5-minute chart, and now we're pushing new highs. Right, I think this pretty much sums up trading the Nasdaq for me at the moment. Got this break of what we believe to be this bull flag. Yeah, and just straight back down. So yeah, in other news, we've set up a demo account on Tradeovate now. So we're able to, we won't have the execution problem anymore. But still, yeah, so really disappointed with that one because so we're obviously at the top of of quite a big move up. So you're always going to get a much bigger retracement, but yeah, just typical. I think this is the problem with the 1-minute chart as well. It's why we don't trade it that often. It's just so many fake outs on it, especially in this choppy market. Alright, so we've got this retracement after a big push up. We've got that doji candle there at the bottom, put a long wick on it. So new 5-minute candle's just opened and we're looking for it to put in a little wick at the bottom, then start to push away, which it does. If we can get above the high, then we can enter the trade, which we do. and we were just going for 10 points. Don't trust the market to do anything else, to be honest. Yeah, just going for 10 points, which we. So we scaled down to the 2-minute chart. I think, yeah. And yeah, we're just going for another little pop to the upside again. Yeah, we didn't really open the chart up very well, so we can't really see it properly. But yeah, that's, yeah. Yeah, it worked out nicely. It was a nice trade. Didn't hit our full take profit. It kind of came back on us a little bit. We moved our stop to just inside profit. So yeah, we made a nice little bit on that as well.